Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you 8 colors of the fall collection that I have been working on and created. So they are all ready and ready to go. The colors came out absolutely beautiful. The acrylic is fast set, but not as fast that it doesn't have give you any time to play around with it. It's also self-leveling. Yeah. I ate my words, and now I don't know what I was going to say. Oh yeah, pay close attention to how I applied the yellow, the Acne yellow acrylic. Every single time I do a brush stroke, you could see that it is self-leveling. Sorry guys about that, I had a little brain fart. It is late, it's about 12 o'clock right now. The kids are finally sleeping. My little one is sneezing, it's coming out with a little cold, which is not the best thing, especially right now. But you could see every single time I do a brush stroke, it just levels beautifully. You don't really have to work very hard with this acrylic to have it perfectly level. And the best thing about it is that your filing at the end is cut in half, and I absolutely love it. So I've been doing this for a little while now, mixing my own colors since I have never had enough money to be able to actually buy the colors that I want, and they were always very, very pricey. So I started playing around and mixing my own. So every single color that I made are USA made and bought. I get the clear acrylic wholesale from a distributor actually located in Florida, and I get all of my iron oxides and pigments, which is every single coloring that I add to my acrylic is cosmetic approved. So it's you can use it on your nails, you can use it on lip balms, you could use it on eyeshadows, anything basically you want. It's safe. And every single jar is hand mixed and measured by Moa, as you may know me by the crazy nail lady. So I hope you guys like it. I do have these products available at my website, which is of course anyasnails.com. You could always also see them on my Instagram at Anya's Nails and my Facebook account Anya's Nails. Hopefully every single one of you that is watching and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, it's also subscribed to my YouTube and Instagram. I have never been a very big person when it comes to social media. Facebook is probably the only one that I actually have mostly mastered, but I'm still learning. Instagram is maybe about 75%. I'm still working on Twitter. Snapchat, I have no idea. My kids use it. I tried it. I don't understand it. I posted something. I didn't know how to find it no more. I just don't get it. And then Twitter, it's a totally different thing. Every time I try to post a tweet, a different picture comes out, or totally something different. So that's also TikTok is something that is very, very popular. I do have a TikTok account, but there's only a couple little things in there, so I'm still working on that. So basically every single thing that you see, every video that you watch that I do, I buy all the products with my own money, and what I do is I share my opinion. Now, my opinion doesn't mean that it's the best for you. I always suggest to try it out for yourself, see if it works for you, which if I'm sharing an opinion about 2 different products, one might be best for me, but not for you. So I always suggest to try it out and see actually which one works better. I'm not going to talk throughout the whole video. I'm about 5 minutes long, and the video is, I think, about 15 minutes or so. Well, again, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. As many of you know that I am not a licensed nail technician, but I am in my 40s, and I have been doing my own nails since I'm 16 years old in high school. Since I didn't have the money to go to nail salons, I decided to start learning it myself. And since I've always been very, very good, I guess maybe handy in the beauty industry, I can with haircuts, highlights, all this stuff. I kind of been okay with learning this by myself, and then of course YouTube came into to our lives, and that's helpful a lot. And I'm still watching. I still follow a lot of the big nail technicians, and I watch their technique and what they do, and I learn from them. Every single day you learn something new, so don't never stop learning. What else did I want to say and share? Yeah, since this whole COVID had started, I have been working from home. So thank God I do have my own business. I actually am a kitchen designer, an interior remodeling designer. So I do have my own kitchen cabinets, vanities, and so on. The name of my company, if you guys are interested, is Mozart cabinetsdirect.com. You can buy limited items, but you can buy some stuff and some kitchen cabinets online, or if you have any more questions, you can always email me. There's contact forms and so on the website. So the good thing is I've been able to work from home, and I'm blessed. But I have 3 kids in the house, and every single one is being homeschooled. 2 days at school, which is only like half a day. The next few days is virtual, and I have one in high school, I have one in middle school, and I have one in pre-K. I know it's about 8 years apart between every single child. So we started young and we finished old. Also to this whole COVID, we had added 3 little additions to our family. So not only I have 3 children, I have 3 French bulldogs, and now I have 3 guinea pigs. I know. So I did find a picture of my 3 guinea pigs. I did adopt them. I did not buy them. I actually went to the pet store and wanted to see how much it would be for the whole setup, the cage, the guinea pigs, and the number that it came out, it was like in $600-700. So then I'm thinking, well, there's always pets for adoption. So I went on Facebook. There's a couple mommy groups in my area that I belong to, and I started looking, and I found 2 little ones that I adopted actually 2 days later after contacting the person, and then about 3 weeks later I adopted a 3rd one. So you guys saw the picture. The black one is Casey, the fuzzy color multicolor one is Toffee, and the really hairy one, her name is Sushi. So yeah, my kids love it. They're a lot of work, but they bring a lot of happiness into the house. What else can I tell you? So basically now I have kind of started getting my schedule back to normal with this whole schooling and working from home. I have an office downstairs, I have an office in the kitchen, the house is a mess, but you know, it is what it is. I hope you guys are all safe and are all healthy and everything is going well for you. When it comes to, I guess, nails, because my channel is about nails, feel free to comment, email me. There's an email address on my profile that I will answer and I check on regular basis. But again, I hope you do like the colors that I create, and like I said, they are available for you on anyasnails.com. I did list the link in the description, and if you do, thank you guys for helping. All the profit from the sale of the custom mixes will be used to buy more products so I can actually make more videos. And I guess that's about it. So 5 minutes ago I said I'm not gonna go through this whole video, but I started talking and it seems like I just can't stop right now. So I'm gonna leave you guys to the last 5 minutes to listen to this song, which is also from No Copyright. I download all of my songs from them. They are amazing, and I always list them in the description. If for any reason I don't know the name of the song, I always make sure that No Copyright is somehow listed in the description. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, don't forget about my Facebook account, my Instagram, and they all are Anya's Nail, except I think Instagram is Anya's hyperlink nails or something like that. Well, there's a link in the description. Okay, be well, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Alive can't put me in a box. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bunny. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. What you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious, release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blow me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be speaking. Listen, this ain't what you want, bitch. I'm a fucking phenomenon. What you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. I redefine any definition you got. I am the tiger, I'm making steps to the top. The flames, I whip it up, you just gotta hand me the rock. Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a Scotch bunny. Don't try study me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.